Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit text in an image in Canva. This method is quick, simple, and perfect for when you want to update text on a graphic without starting from scratch. Let's get started. First, create a new design. Once your canvas is ready, either upload the static image you want to work with or pick one from your existing library. Next, select the image and click on the Edit Photo option. This will open the editing tools for your chosen image. From here, look for and click on the Magic Studio Grab Text option. What this does is automatically detect and extract all the text from your image. After a few seconds, you'll see the extracted text appear on your screen. Now you can edit the text however you like. Change the wording, fix typos, update details, or even switch to a different font or color. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more quick and easy design tips.